Oh, 247-95
95.7 traffic.
Busy but moving through the Hartford area along 84, 91, and Route 2. But we've got a number of crashes right now through New Haven. 91 south between 6 and 4 left lanes closed. Northbound between 6 and 8 for a 3-car crash left lane is the block there. In New Haven, we've got southbound 95 dealing with a crash between exits 48 and 46. I'm Rachel Lester.
This report is sponsored by Geico. 15 minutes could...
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and welcome. So if you guys watched the last video, which was about a minute, 2 minutes long, that was the introduction to the new house. And so I wanted to, this video isn't going to be as long either. I'm going to give you a quick tour of where we're going to be working as far as the motor build and things like that. These right here are for the build, so we're gonna open these up, do about 4 unboxings, and there's still some more stuff coming. So enjoy the video. I want to say thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for all the comments in the last video. I really appreciate it. A lot of this wouldn't have happened without you guys. Obviously, I don't have like a huge subscriber count, but it was important for me to get into a garage like this and things like that, to have more space, to be able to film more and things like that. And again, I probably wouldn't have had the confidence to myself become a first-time home owner and things like that without you guys, because these builds give me a lot of confidence and you guys give me a lot of confidence. So I want to say thank you guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna just, like I said, give you a quick tour, and then we're gonna open up these boxes, and that'll pretty much be it for this video. But again, enjoy, because this house, this is you can tell it's built in the 70s. Just trust me on that. So yeah, enjoy. All right, guys. Fast forward. It's the next day. After today, when I went to edit everything, I realized that the video was kind of long and I didn't want it to be that long. Again, we are in a new house, and I wanted to show you guys the parts that came in for the Genesis project, and just give you a really quick tour, not of the whole entire house, but really where we're going to be working and where we're going to be as far as the garage space and the space downstairs. So I'm going to show you those parts right now. Again, I did the unboxings already, but I might as well show you guys again out of the box. It'll be faster and things like that. Oh, you like this wallpaper? Yeah, it's classic 70s. Crap. There's a lot going on in this house, but let me show you these. Alright guys, as you can see, I have parts here. It doesn't look like a whole lot. I'm missing the pistons, and then the rods are actually in this box. There's a rod right there, but just really quick, I wanted to show you guys exactly what I got. So these sorry about that. These right here, these are the ARP, I think these are the head studs. Head bolts and studs, and then these are the, so these are the head bolts and studs right here. These are the ARP main bolts and studs. Obviously I used these in the other motor that I built and put into the car, and they work really well, so why not go with them. What? I'm trying. Okay, look at this, guys. You see this kid? This kid right here decides he's gonna stand up. Don't jump on the table. Thank you. Oh my God, that kid's never gonna. Oh man, that kid drives me nuts. I love him though. Anyway, so let's get back to this. I bought a Block's magnetic drain plug. It's just for peace of mind, nothing crazy. That was 11 bucks. We've got a chromatic head gasket here. Again, that's what I have in the motor I just built. And seems to work really well. We have ARP cam tower bolts, which I did not use last time, and last time I stretched a few of these bolts, so I figured let's go with the ARPs because it's just a smart, wise investment. Now this is what I'm trying to figure out here. We have the ACL race bearings. I think these are the rod bearings right here, and these are the main bearings, and these are standard size. Again, these are what I'm running currently. Probably overkill, but you know, peace of mind. Then we've got the Manly Turbo Tough rod. I was told that these would be the best for high horsepower applications. I'm trying to get to that 700 mark. I probably won't, but hey, peace of mind. At least I know I'll have the parts that'll get me there. These also came with the ARP bolts themselves, which is awesome. These are $930, but apparently really strong. The other thing too is they tell you the total weight of each rod, which big end and pin end. So this is actually pretty damn good. What else here? Oh, these right here. These are thrust bearings. These are a very important part, and they only cost $2.50. But I have seen where people actually use the old ones, and it wasn't a good result. It basically keeps the crank from going back and forth. These do right here. I swear, like $2.50. You need to buy new ones. You should always use new ones, and you shouldn't cheap out because the part looks fine. Always get new ones. So that's where we're at right now. All right, so anyway, we're still waiting on the, basically I ordered CP pistons and the standard 86 millimeter. I didn't want to bore it out. I want to see how much I can get with this, with the standard sizes. But again, we do have the GSC stage 2 cams and the valve springs and retainers, because we're gonna get more air into that motor. So, and I know you're probably saying, well, why didn't you bore it out? Well, because I didn't want to. And then the oversized valves. So 1 millimeter over. So once we get this stuff, once I get everything else, we're gonna do a tear down of the motor. I will do a video of that, and then we will get the head and the block to the machine shop, because obviously we have to bring the dart and mid sleeves to have the block re-sleeved and things like that. So and then the valves installed and all that other fun stuff too, because obviously you have to do machine work to the head now because of the valves. So that's where we're at. So let me know what you guys think. I will show you guys where we're going to be doing this work a little bit later once Noah and everybody else goes to bed. Alright guys, so before I go to bed, because I am tired, I actually fell asleep, I wanted to show you just the two most important rooms to the channel and where we're going to be doing most of the work. So this room right here is actually mine. Pretty much the guy left the workbench. Obviously I got to clean all this up and things like that. They're gonna go in that, this crap's going in those two closets anyway. But as you guys can see, as soon as I find the light here, oh, sorry, it might get a little loud down here. He left these like great shelves, so I'm gonna probably keep parts and stuff on these shelves. And then over here I'm actually going to I know I got a little loud down here, but I'm actually going to probably keep my wheels and stuff here. It's just a great area, and it's just a nice big open space to actually do work in and things like that. And then he also left this vise right here, so we'll be able to use this as well. And then obviously these are obviously the parts I showed you earlier. We've got more parts in the garage and things like that. Now, the second most important room, well, the first most important room would be the garage. So let's head. Welcome to the garage, boys and girls. So obviously this is where we're gonna do a lot of work, things like that. There's a lot of stuff in here right now. This stuff right here is gonna go in the closets. I already told you where the wheels are gonna go. Some of those are car parts. And the jack, that stuff is probably trash. That's where most of the car parts are, for the motor and things like that. I'm sure you're wondering where the motor is. So let's head around here. We got Noah's car, motor right there. And again, all this stuff will not be here, so it'll get moved. But we are going to be pulling apart this motor soon and do a whole video on that and go from there. So what do you guys think? I think we'll be able to get a lot done this winter. It's actually supposed to snow tonight, but since the car is on the inside, no snow on it. And I'm probably not going to work because Noah probably doesn't have school, or daycare, and Cam probably doesn't have school, but since she's 16, whatever. So let me know what you guys think about all this. Again, I'm gonna have Berto do some graffiti on these walls and things like that. Obviously not the door, but the walls. So I think it'll look good, and you guys give me some ideas of what you want to see on the walls and things like that. Anything. I kind of want to keep it car related, so if you could try to keep it car related. If not, make it something funny. Maybe something like from Step Brothers also. So anyway, until next time, definitely like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I want to thank you guys again. You guys help make this possible, and I want to say thank you guys. So I'm going to bed tonight, and I can't think of a better place to end the video than in the place where we're going to be doing a lot of work and a lot more room. So much more room for activities. Anyway, have a good night, and make no limitation your only limitation. Oh wait, yes, that's the family room, so I could walk in both places, basement and family room. So anyway, make no limitations your only limitations. Peace.